Daniela, 14 items removed right there. Okay. Some people say it's fake. No, she's real. Some people say, oh, we show fake results. No, we don't. We show the live updates, the real updates from our customers. Our customers can leave us a bad review if they're fake, but they're not. That's their name, Daniela. I mean, we don't make up stuff. We don't need to. We've been in business for 10 years. Don't trust anyone that's not been in business more than at least 5 years. If they don't have Google reviews, don't trust them. John Barnes left this review, and John Barnes is in the video that's before this one. And TrustPilot says it's not authentic. Like, I showed his update. He's on a call. He's a real person. He's not messing around. But TrustPilot is not trustworthy. TrustPilot is the lowest score that we have on all the review sites, and they are denying us real reviews. So be careful with TrustPilot. The reviews that I say are fake on TrustPilot are fake. Look at me. If Andre says they're fake, they're fake. Okay? Unless there's some misunderstanding or they're from another company or something, but it's still fake because it's not our company, right? So I have no problem addressing a customer that has an issue. I'm a business owner. I'm a big boy. So don't believe in what some people say and just do a thorough analysis. As you can see, people are signing up. They're looking at the same reviews as other people. Remember Sargis? Had a phone call with him, right? Well, this is his review. 5 stars. 5 stars review right there. 5-star review. Awesome. Now we have some more signups. Norberto, $1,000 signed up. Thank you so much. New clients are signing up. You know, we're going back speaking Chinese. I could write speaking Chinese. I have customers in China because here's the thing. Lots of Americans travel around the world. I have customers in China. I have customers in Malaysia. I have customers in Singapore. I have customers in London. I have customers in Australia. I have customers in Hawaii. I have customers in New Zealand. It doesn't matter. Anywhere where there's Americans,